Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum one class. I'm your science teacher. Today is 23rd lecture, 8 September 2020, Tuesday. Concept check plus puzzle. Book page number 47 plus workbook page number 34. Concept check. Fill in the table below with your teacher helps. Animals: lion, cat, giraffe, cow. Where they live: animal in jungle. What they eat: meat. Cat live in house, eat milk and meat. Giraffe live in jungle, eat leaves. Cow live in shed, eat grass. Workbook page number 34. First of all, mention your date and day. Choose the word from the word could to fill the following puzzle. Write the food of each animal in the identify box. What could: deer, grass, carrot, bee, carrot, cricket, ant, banana, leaves, bone. Monkey eats banana, fox, bone. Rabbit eat carrot, cow eat grass, lizard eat cricket, giraffe eat leaves, लाइन एट डियर। ओके स्टूडेंट्स, ये था आपका लेक्चर। आपने इसको अच्छे तरीके से लर्न करना है और अपनी वर्कबुक और बुक वर्क को अच्छे तरीके से करना है, फिल करके अपने रजिस्टर्स पेन की प्रैक्टिस करनी है। कल हाफिज़, फ़ी अमान अल्लाह।